Uh, Excuse me, y'all. This morning, I know I look a little rough, but just getting up, smoking my Mormon breakfast. I had a thought, like, some people say they don't believe in God, and then for those people, I want to say there is an energy that is greater than us. There's a greater energy than us that created you and me and everything, and birds, our pets. We call pets that, you know, in the wild, some of them ain't pets. You know, it's an energy that created the air that we breathe. It's an energy that we call our mind that ain't even attached to our body, but it's inside of us. It's crazy. It's an energy out there. I just wanted to put that out there, y'all.